Well, guys, you would have seen this on social media. So this was the house that the firemen were taking persons out. Oh my gosh. You'd have to see this in person for you to see the magnitude. So this is one house, see, fully underwater, and there's another house around there that's underwater also. Jeez, and then persons are actually here. Yeah? A lot of persons here just looking, because this could have been worse.
Yeah, before you reach there, so. Alright, if you look behind you, can really look at two houses covering us, one down there and one down here. So we said it in the video.